What's up guys, Ziovo here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Now today I have a slightly different video for you guys. I'm going to be talking about 6 paid subscription services that are currently free for the time being. Of course, right now we're in some very uncertain times and a lot of us are stuck at home, but some companies have been kind enough to open up their paid subscription services for free across a variety of different industries. So in this video, I'm going to be going over 6 subscription services that are usually paid that you can now access for free. Now, I'm recording this video on March 25th and these services should be free at least until the end of April. And if you guys do find any other services that are currently free, please put them down below in the comments for everyone else to see. But with that being said, let's get started. So one service that I've been using recently is called Codecademy Pro. Now for those of you who don't know, Codecademy is a platform that you can use to learn how to code. They cover a variety of different topics and languages. So whether you want to learn web development, game design, or data science, they have a variety of different courses you can take. Currently, they are offering 10,000 free scholarships for any high school or university students, and you can access their pro services for free until the end of the year. Codecademy has a lot of in-depth interactive tutorials, so if you're someone who's always wanted to learn how to code, there's no better time than now. Next up on the list, we have Headspace. Headspace is a meditation app available on various mobile devices that is usually a paid service. Right now, it's free for healthcare workers and teachers, and if you're neither of those, you can still access a bunch of free modules they've put out underneath a category called Weathering the Storm. Now, if you're someone who's never meditated before, I would highly recommend trying it out. It's very, very relaxing, and it does work in my opinion, and right now would be a great time to take advantage of what Headspace is offering for everybody. Now, if you're somebody who's into gaming, there's a service called Astral Tabletop, which basically supports any virtual tabletop role-playing game, and they're releasing all of their paid features for free until at least the end of April. And so you can play basically any role-playing game on there virtually, including Pathfinder, Forbidden Lands, Fantasy Age, and much, much more. Next up on this list is Zoom. You can access their basic personal meeting features for free, which basically allows you to host up to 100 participants, so it's more than you're ever going to need. And with Zoom, what you can do is you can video conference people. It's a very easy to use, lightweight app, so you can connect with your friends and family from across the world. If you guys don't know how to use Zoom, I posted a 5-minute tutorial as well, which I can link down below, but I would prefer to use Zoom over a Skype or Google Hangouts because it's the easiest to use, has all the functionality you need, and it's very lightweight, so anyone can download it on their computer. If you're someone who misses going to the gym because your gym is closed, Nike actually removed the subscription fee for its NTC Premium service, so you can be able to stream workout videos, training programs, and receive a bunch of tips straight to your mobile device on the Nike app for free. And so I'll link that down below as well. If you're someone who misses working out and wants to work out at home, the NTC Premium service is now free, and it would be a great addition for all of your home workouts. And finally, on this list, we have the NBA League Pass, which is NBA subscription service. They're currently offering it for free for users until the end of April. And although the NBA isn't currently hosting games right now or having the season continue, what they're doing through the NBA League Pass is giving you the opportunity to stream previous games. So if you're someone who really misses basketball, then I would highly recommend that you download the NBA League Pass while it's free and get your fix by watching some old games. But those are all of the subscription services I have that are currently free. If you guys think of any more, please send them down below in the comments. I'll also be pasting any in the comments that I find, so hopefully we can all, help the time pass. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. My name is Ziovo, and I'm signing out.